Okay, in this video I want to show you the Rubik's Cube I recently bought. It is a cheap Rubik's Cube. It doesn't even have a brand. I just bought it in a stand on a town, so it is a cheap one. You may say it is a low quality Rubik's Cube. However, there are some modifications you can make to your Rubik's Cube to make it faster, to improve its speed and its smoothness. Okay, 1 week ago I didn't even know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I didn't know anything. So I have investigated a bit, and I know some more things about the Rubik's Cubes. I have investigated about the professional Rubik's Cubes, and it looks like they're amazing. They cute edges, and they have small holes in here. The core of that cube are different from the cheap ones, and well, the overall performance of that cubes are much better. However, you can modify your cheap Rubik's Cube to make it a bit faster, not that high quality like professional ones, but well, you will feel it better. Okay, so I will tell you that when I first bought this cube, it was just to learn how to solve it. But I have seen a lot of videos about people breaking world genius records, and wow, incredible. I'm just learning how to solve it. As you can see, I have been solving this Rubik's Cube to here. Well, I'm stuck here, so I'm gonna investigate right now how to finish it. And well, this Rubik's Cube, at first it was hard to rotate, and well, the pieces were making sound while rotating, and it was getting stuck almost all the time while trying to rotate. Stuck. But I have used it a lot now, and it rotates much better. But that's not all. I have lubricated the Rubik's Cube with vegetable oil, and the overall performance of this Rubik's Cube has improved a lot. I may say a lot. I'm impressed how it has improved. While rotating, it rotates much faster, as you can see. It makes much less sound, and the rotation is smooth. It doesn't get stuck. I couldn't do this while I just bought it. Now I can, because of the lubrication and the use I have. As you can see, it's much more smooth, and the overall performance is improved. The keeping edge has improved. I couldn't do this. It has improved, but not so much. But I can cut edges more than when I just bought it, and the overall performance it's better. It's smooth, less sound, it gets stuck less, and I'm impressed. However, This not makes the Rubik's Cube professional. The professional cubes have not rare quality of plastics. The core of the Rubik's cubes, the professional Rubik's cubes, is much better. You can open it, it doesn't break. Well, I have improved this Rubik's cube, but it's not professional. However, I like how it has improved. I like it. I will buy a professional cube later, but for now, this is okay. I have seen a lot of videos of people saying that this same cube is crap. You may not buy it. You shouldn't buy it because you will get frustrated. It's horrible. However, you should know how to take care of things, how to improve things, and how to buy things. Also, when I bought this cube, there were two stands. One, it had a Rubik's cube without package, and the faces were stickers, and the plastic, it was light, the weight was light, and the plastics feel really cheap and low quality. So I decided to buy this cube from the other stand because it had a package. Those faces weren't stickers. It's okay because the other stickers, the other low quality cube had stickers, but easy to scratch and easy to remove, so I didn't like that. And these faces are plastic, so scratching, you can scratch less, and well, you can remove them, but you need some type of substance because they are glued really good. So if you have a Rubik's cube like this one, I recommend you to use super glue if those faces fall off. So, or maybe you can use a less powerful glue, and if you want to remove the faces later, you can do it. So I like this cube for beginners, of course, and for mid-range Rubik's collectors. It's not that crap like some people say. I like it. You can use sandpaper here to make the holes that goes in here to improve the cutting edge of this tube. However, using vegetable oil, it improves much more. Thanks for watching, and keep playing with your cubes.